Hey there, everyone. Welcome to the Search Labs. Today, I've got a real treat for you. We're diving into the fascinating world of AI and creativity. I'm going to show you how to transform your voice into a range of celebrity tones using an awesome AI tool and create music video. And guess what? We'll even take it up a notch by turning your favorite songs into AI-powered music video. Intrigued? You should be. Let's get this AI party started. Imagine jamming to your favorite tunes with your voice sounding just like your beloved celebrities. Here's how you can make it happen in 5 simple steps. The Magic AI Song Generator. First, head over to the SongR AI Song Generator tool. You'll find the link in the video description below. This tool is your key to creating an AI-generated song. Click on Try SongR App Now button and get started. Then just type in your prompt, hit that Generate button, and let the AI weave its magic. Don't dig the lyrics? No worries. Hit Try again for a new set, or tweak them yourself. Let's listen our song first.
You make me happy when skies are gray. You make me happy. You make me feel this way. You make me happy on every single day. You make me happy in every single way. You make the world a better place just by being here. You make the world a brighter place just by shining your light. You make the world a happier place just by smiling. So let's keep on dancing and laughing and loving and make this world a happy place for everyone.
Click on Download button and select Audio and download your audio file. Mastering the vocal and music separation. Now, let's unravel the song. Our trusty AI vocal remover comes into play. Click on the link provided in the description, and you're in. Upload your audio file and let the AI work its magic once again. Soon, you'll have your vocals and music neatly separated. Now click on Save button and download music and vocal files separately. Crafting your unique AI voice. This is where the real fun begins. Click on the link provided in the description, and you are in. Click on that Sign In button and get yourself in using your Google account. Navigate to the royalty-free music section and hit Add or Drop Audio File. Go to Advanced Setting and make changes as per you desired. Then click Convert button and let's party begin. Here is your vocal separated file.
You make me feel this way.
Click on Download button and download your audio file. Click on Community Voice section and select Community Voice as per your preference. In this case, I am using Michael Jackson's voice. Upload your voice clip and hit Convert button. Click Download button for your music file get downloaded.
You make me happy when skies are gray.
In addition to this, you will be able to add AI instrumental models if you wish. It's also available on this platform. There's another option here. You can add your own voice instead to the voice if desired. Download Audacity from the link in the description and install it. Drag and drop in your music and vocal tracks to Audacity window. Click on Export on the File menu. Go to CapCut and link has been provided in the description. Sign up using your Google account. Upload your music track to CapCut Editor and select Meaningful Video to your newly created music track. And start rendering. Finally, your music video is ready to release.
You make me happy when skies are gray. You make me happy. You make me feel this way. You make me happy. I never single day. You make me happy. In every single way. You make the world a better place just by being here. You make the world a brighter place just by shining your light. You make the world a happier place just by smile. So let's keep on dancing and laughing and loving and make this world a happy place for everyone.
And that's a wrap. You've just turned your voice into a symphony of AI awesomeness. Remember, liking, sharing, and subscribing keep the AI magic alive. Until next time, stay creative and keep rocking those AI tunes. Don't forget to subscribe Search Labs for more interesting contents. Until next content, bye-bye.